Every day begins the same. A swipe, a scroll, a screen,
This is the first time, honey, we're getting together.
a life lived online.
So good. You never told me what.
Hello, ma'am. Could you just approve the KYC verification?
Okay. Shit.
Hey, Anya. Surprised? I'm just you.
But for the rest of the world now. I'm the dark side of the dark world. I'm everything that you said, even what you didn't.
Log in with your data. It doesn't break in anymore. Steals your identity.
Hello, Anya. We are here.
Even in the darkest way. Something fights back.
The total protection.
I'll be back.
Then try on. Because I'll have my quickie.
Your privacy isn't just protected, it's powered by the Koti AI.